That's yours. Grab it.
What did you find? Oh. Look on the leg. Look on the legs. What have you found?
Oh, whoa.
Whoa. Carly.
How many you got, Kira? Cool. There's more. Keep looking.
Balance.
Keep looking. Don't fill up your bucket. You got a big bucket. You see some more? I can see some. Oh, there's plenty. And some more.
Wow. Heaps of eggs.
And some more.
Grab them all. Grab them all. You see one down here? See one down?
Somebody's got all the golden eggs now. Good girl.
Oh, look at Carly. She's got all these ones.
And there.
Put it in your bucket. Alan, look, there's some more over there.
Yeah, put that in your bucket too. Put them all in. Keep it in. Yep.